Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the TS+AP-LAWCET-2021, and today is the turn of the 17th, if I am not being mistaken, lecture is in progress. Yes. Then I have shown something on the screen. Can anybody will tell what it is? Yes, anyone? Especially from the participant side. I think you could see it. Is it visible?
Yes,
Ganesh
sir.
Gadipalli.
Yes, sir. Very much good.
Yes, what is the name of the athlete?
Mira.
Yes? Yes, anyone? Now anyone?
Weightlifter, Mirabai.
Yes? Repeat. Say loudly.
The voice
Oh.
is clear.
Yeah. Voice is clear because here I have given Mirabai Chanu won the India's first medal at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics after the clinching the silver in the women's 49 kgs event on Saturday. Find from the above typographical one error is there. Can you make it out? What is the typographical error? Quick. There is a typographical error is there.
Clinching.
Yes, that is a clinching. CLI should be there, but I wrote E. So this is the typographical error that you will find over here. Okay, now let us go to the next point. And who is she? Yes?
Sindhu.
PV Sindhu.
Very familiar face.
Badminton
PV?
Sindhu.
What is the
PV
P?
Sindhu.
Yes, what is PV stands for? Anyone? Sorry, we don't know, sir. Okay, which athlete she is? Yes,
Badminton player.
badminton. See, PV Sindhu, the 25 years old, won women's singles badminton bronze India Olympic Games Tokyo 2020. Find out from the above statement, two errors are there. One is the two errors completely. Can you make it out?
Badminton. MINTON.
Here, MIN badminton, that is one mirror, one mistake. Next. Next. She is 26 years, not 25 years. So that is the two mistakes would be there. And yes, the full name is Pusarla Venkata Sindhu. Pusarla Venkata Sindhu. The full name is. Okay, can you tell me what is the find out odd man out among these 593, 313, 232 and 453? Yes? Quick. Anyone? Say Pasan. I will give the answer.
232.
Wrong. Second option.
Option 3, sir.
Yes, option 3. Can you tell me what is the reason? What is the logic? I said, tell the logic. You don't know the logic. Here I will.
Third numbers are same.
Pardon? Repeat.
First
Okay.
and third numbers are same.
First number and third number are the same. So that is the number 1. But number 2, if you want to say in the another way, palindromes are not just a word game, they are also found in the numbers and are studied in the recreational mathematics. In fact, palindromic prime is a prime number that read the same from left to right and right to left, such as here I say 313, 595, then 232, then odd man out is 453. That is a prime number of palindromic mathematics. Yes. I will want to make it out the reward for this one. Find out what is the next. That is in parenthesis. I wrote the plus. It's how to pronounce as a plus. It's a minus, minus minus, and this is apostrophe. And what about this sign is called here? This sign, this
Notch.
symbol. Eh?
Notch.
No. Cursor, notch, Nikkei, caret. It is not so easy thing to make it out because that is a plus, that is means addition. This is a minus, means subtraction. This is apostrophe. When you want the possessive case, you want to add the s, then apostrophe could be used over there, and later on it is called caret. The same spelling like a carrot. A carrot is another name for the cursor, alternatively referred to as a circumflex. The carrot is a symbol which is shown like a topsy-turvy V. And in the mathematics, the carrot represents an exponent such as a square, cube, and another exponential power. So that is the carrot is the right answer for that one. And here I not numbered. If I number, this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, this is 4. Then the right option is fourth option. That is the right option. Fourth is the right option. So what do you say, spelling? Spelling of the carrot is anyone? Spelling of the carrot is
C-A-R-E-T.
C-A-R-E-T, carrot. But what is that vegetable carrot?
C-A-R-R-O-T.
Can you say R-R, double R?
Double R.
Yes. The fifth question, where the carrot symbol is present in the keyboard of USA QWERTY keyboard. Where the carrot symbol is shown on the keyboard of the USA QWERTY keyboard. Or you can say keyboard, but specifically they say USA QWERTY keyboard. That is on the figure 4, up, on the figure 5, up, on the figure 6, up, on the figure 7, up in the keyboard. Make a trial for any one of the above. Make a trial even though it is a false also, doesn't matter. No minus marks. Sir, we are guessing. Okay, guess. Yes. Say pass on.
Figure 4, sir.
No, it is a figure 6. See, if you happen to see the feedback, you could see on the 4 there is a dollar, on the 5 there is a percent, on the 6 there is a caret, on the 7th it is the ampersand, on the 8th is asterisk. Yes, that is the thing. Now you tell me, about the 5 there is a percentage, 6 there is a caret, 7 there is a ampersand. Is it or not? Is it or not?
1%.
Yes. Then what about in the 8th? Oh, both are overlapping. Yeah. What about now the 8th? Just now I have shown you. I want to see how much your IQ would be there. Just now I have shown you. I have not only shown you, I have read it also. What is on the empty box 8?
Star, sir.
It is asterisk.
Yes,
It is not a star.
not a
It
star,
is
sir. Correct,
asterisk.
correct, correct. Okay,
ASTRISK. That is the spelling of it. Yes, my co-host, are you ready?
Okay, sir.
Yes, now your turn is there. Okay, I will open that your file because nobody has given the reply. That's why I thought perhaps you will be there or may not be there. Yes. Yeah, proceed.
Yes. Good evening to all. Once again, welcome to the TS LAWCET and AP LAWCET coaching program conducted by Mohammed Hussain Saheb,
With the
Dr.
team.
and Sri Vidya and Sharad Babu.
Yes, you can
welcome
see the
once again.
photos there. You can see the figures also here. Yes, those who did not register, please register with anyone so that we will post the link to you as soon as the class is over. Yes, now let us come to our point. Yes, go ahead.
The first question in the fresh series of general knowledge is Andhra Pradesh governor is options are Vishwabhushan Harichandan, Narasimhan, Kiran Bedi, Dattatreya.
Fifth option.
Say loudly.
Option 1, sir.
First
First
one is the correct answer. Vishwabhushan Harichandan is the governor of Andhra Pradesh, which is our neighboring state, which is our sister state. And Vishwabhushan Harichandan, the list of governors of Andhra Pradesh, including Andhra state from 1953 to the present date, the official residence of the governor is Raj Bhavan. So, what is the official residence of governor? That is the subsidiary question. You can answer it. The official residence of governor is Raj Bhavan in every state. Okay, thank you, sir. Now, the second question is who is the chairman of Niti Ayog, formerly Planning Commission? It used to be called Planning Commission. Rajiv Kumar, Narendra Modi, Love Agarwal, S.K. Paul.
Narendra Modi.
Yes, obviously, Prime Minister, any Prime Minister will be the chairman of Planning Commission, and after after abandoning this Planning Commission, Niti Ayog has come into force, and for that too, Prime Minister is the chairman. And the third question is who called Iron Lady? Who is called Iron Lady? Jhansi Rani, Margaret Thatcher, P.T. Usha, Srimati Indira Gandhi.
Option 4.
Option 2 is the correct answer. Margaret Thatcher is throughout the world known as the Iron Lady because she took decisions very strongly. That's why she's called Iron Lady. Margaret Thatcher was the previous, one of the old prime ministers of United Kingdom. Fourth question: which one of the following got placed in the UNESCO World Heritage Site tag in Warangal? Which one
Ramappa
of the
sir.
following?
Option 3, sir.
Bhadrakali Temple, Thousand Pillars Temple, Ramappa Temple, Padmakshi Temple. If someone has given the
Ramappa
answer
Temple, sir.
already, that is in Warangal, Ramappa Temple has been listed in the World Heritage Site. It has become very famous, and it will be preserved by being undertaken by the UNESCO. And who is this Ramappa?
It's Ramappa
Is
temple is the right answer.
yes, Ramappa Temple is the right answer, but I want to
Yeah,
know
who is the Ramappa?
from
Yes,
the
yes.
participants who this Ramappa was. Of course, he is no more. This Ramappa was the sculptor of this Ramappa temple. He was the great sculptor of this Ramappa temple. In fact, he is not the god of this temple. He was the sculptor of this temple, and on his name, this has come into existence. This Ramappa temple, and one should not miss if they visit Warangal to see this temple.
It is
Where is
Mulugu district, Palampet.
yes? Where is UNESCO? That is the fifth question. Is it in Paris? Is it in Rome? Is it in London? Is it in Washington? I want to know the headquarters of UNESCO.
Paris, sir.
London sir.
Yes, it is Paris. The
Paris.
headquarters of UNESCO is Paris, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. UNESCO stands for. And the next question is what is the official residence of the President of USA? What is the official residence of the President of USA? Is it Pentagon? Is it Lincoln House? Is it Washington House? Or is it White House? What is it?
White House.
White
It's
House.
White House. That is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. In White House, President of USA will be there. He will be occupying the seat in White House, and it is his official residence. And the headquarters building of the United States Department of Defense is Washington, D.C., Pentagon, White House, Lincoln House. The headquarters building of United States Department of Defense. Come on. Yes, you can answer. There are already 4 answers. You can choose one answer. Where is the difficulty? And what is
Washington
your
DC.
Yes, it is Pentagon. It is Pentagon because it has 5 sides. Pentagon, large 5-sided building in Arlington County, Virginia, near Washington, D.C., that serves as the headquarters of U.S. Department of Defense, including the 3 military services, Army, Navy, and Air Force. Now, the 8th question is, which country does the CIA belong to? Central Intelligence Agency. Russia, Britain, USA, France. So every country has some investigating agency, secret investigating agency. So which country has the CIA, Central Investigation Agency?
Option 3, sir.
Yes, that is the correct choice. Correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. United States America's secret agency, investigating agency is CIA, Central Intelligence Agency, is a civilian foreign intelligence service of the federal government of the United States, and it's the first line of defense for the United States. And the Federal Bureau of Investigation is the domestic intelligence and security service of the United States, that is FBI, it is called, and its principal federal law enforcement agency. And what is the intelligence agency for Russia? It is KGB. It is KGB, Komitet Gozhedvarstanai Bezopaznosti. KGB, secret intelligence agency. It is its intelligence agency. And for Israel, it is Mossad, Mossad. For Israel, there is intelligence agency that is called Mossad. So now move to ninth question. In the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, who won the first medal for India? Is it Mirabai Chanu? Is it MC Mary Kom?
First option.
Is it PV Sindhu? Is it Duty Chand? It is
Option 1, sir.
Mirabai Chanu. She won the first medal. That is which medal? Silver medal. Silver medal for 49 kg weightlifting category, and she hails from Manipur. She is just 26-year old, and lifted a 202 kg to emerge second behind China's Ho Ji-hui, who won the gold at 210 kg. So Mirabai Chanu won silver medal in weightlifting for India. 10th question is, what is the border demarcation line between India and Pakistan? What is the border demarcation line? That is border line, McMahon line, Radcliffe line, Durand line, the international border. These are the choices. It is one person's name.
Hint also
Yes.
given.
Option 2, sir.
Yes, it is the Radcliffe line. That is the correct answer. Choice 2, option 2 is the correct answer. The boundary demarcation line between India and Pakistan, known as the Radcliffe line, came into force on 17th of August 1947. The boundary line is named after Sir Cyril Radcliffe, the man who had the thankless job of drawing the lines of partition to carve out Muslim majority Pakistan from India. And before that, before the partition, there was no demarcation line between India and Pakistan. It was one and the same country. And 11th question is Aynan Kali's IQ is Aynan Kali, one of the um, highest IQ holders, one of the highest IQ holders. Aynan Kali, what is the IQ? 160, 200, 263, 270. Of course, one must be well versed with this. 263 is the correct answer. Am I right, sir?
Yeah.
Yes. And 12th question is what is the IQ of Einstein and Hawking Stephens? Hawking Stephens was the one of the greatest scientists who studied black holes and who died 1 or 2 years back. And Einstein is known for his famous theory of relativity. And what is their IQ? They have equal IQ, both of them 155, 158, 160, 162. When compared to them, the previous one has more IQ. So their IQ is 160. Einstein's IQ is 160, and Stephen Hawking IQ is also 160. What is the earlier name of India? Is it Berle Island? Is it Jambu Dvipa? Is it Bharata? Is it Hindustan?
Option 4, Hindustan.
Option 3.
Option 2 is the correct answer. Jambu Dvipa. Whenever these pujaris or priests chant their mantras, you can hear this word at the time of marriage, ceremony, celebrating marriage also. They chant this mantra, and in this mantra, there will be definitely that word Jambu Dvipa. So, Jambu Dvipa was used in ancient scriptures as the name of India before Bharata became the official name. The derivative Jambudvipa was the historical term for India, as many Southeast Asian countries before the introduction of the English word India. And the 14th question is which is called the city of bells in India? Is it Bengaluru? Is it Aurangabad? Is it Hyderabad? Or is it Daulatabad? City of bells, Muchala Nagaram. It is Hyderabad. Option 3 is the correct answer. It is also known as City of Pearls or City of Nizams. The people of Hyderabad are called Hyderabadis, not the bad people, but they are all the good people. Hyderabad was founded in 1591 AD by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah on the banks of river Musi. So, on which river bank is Hyderabad situated? That is the subsidiary question. That is Musi. And who founded this Hyderabad? Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah in 1591 founded Hyderabad city. 15th question is which is the garden city of India? Ooty, Shimla, Bangalore, or Kodaikanal? Garden city of India.
Bengaluru, sir.
Yes, option 3 is the correct answer. Bengaluru is known as the garden city of India. Bengaluru is the capital of state of Karnataka in India. If you happen to visit Mysore, then you can see Brindavan Gardens. Brindavan Gardens are located in Mysore. So that is also in state of Karnataka. Now,
Yes. With these 15 questions, we will wind up. Then I will enter into the arena. Thank you very much, Kulakanda
thank you,
Sharad
sir.
Babu, for your
Thank you.
giving the good commentary, also that is in the form of feedback. Yes, let us come to the point because we are last class that we are there. Archipelago, as our Sharad Babu sir told co-host, it is surrounded by the sea, the many islands. See here, I have shown the archipelago image. Is it visible? Is it edible?
Yes, yes.
Both. Both are only one.
Yes, sir.
Edible
All.
as well as visible. So that is the archipelago. 76 is the assertion. Number 1. A. India's Republic Day falls on 26 January. It is a assertion. Good. Reason. Constitution of India declaring India as a republic came into force on 26 January 1950. So now the analogy goes in this way. If both A and R are true, R is the correct explanation of A. If both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. If A is a true, but R is a false. If A is a false, but R is a true. You can easily make it out the answer by looking it.
Option 1.
Option 1 is the right answer. The reason is, if both A and R are true, definitely it's true, because Republic Day falls on 26 January. Good. Then the R, the reason is Constitution of India declaring India as a republic came into force on 26 January. Yes, it is implemented from that time onwards. So these are the true. Then the first one is the true answer. The 77th question. One morning after sunrise, Ramesh was standing facing a pole. The shadow of the pole fell exactly to his right. To which direction was he facing? I repeat, one morning after sunrise, Ramesh, a person name, was standing facing a pole. The shadow of the pole fell exactly to his right. To which direction was he facing? East, west, south? Data is incomplete.
Option second, West.
It is because I did not wrote the explanation, but they say option is 3. Please check it, because I did not make a trial of the giving the explanation for here. Otherwise, I would have to make it out. So they say it is 3 is the option. Okay, let us go to the 78. Arrange the words given below in a meaningful sequence. Number 1, presentation. Number 2, recommendation. Number 3, arrival. Number 4, discussion. Number 5, introduction. See, you have to arrange a meaningful sentence should have to come out. అంటే ఏది ముందుగా వస్తుంది, ఏది తర్వాత వస్తుంది, ఏది లాస్ట్ వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. Yes. See, numbering I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Option 3, sir.
Why? Answer. You have to give the answer. Why? Why it is the answer is right? Because because
First we have to introduction.
yeah, that is. Okay. Here I have given first, not introduction, arrival. It is we have to arrive first. Then we have to give the introduction to each other. Introduction goes with the presentation. Presentation goes with the recommendation, discussion, then the recommendations. So these are the things which come. Then 3, 5, 1, 4, 2. Like you cannot harvest unless you yes sow, SOW, sow. You cannot harvest unless you sow.
Unless you cultivate also.
Yeah, of
Unless
course.
you
Yeah.
sow also.
First sowing comes, then only germination comes, sprouting comes, then everything will come out. So there is a sequence you have to make it out. Here let us see another one. In certain code language, computer is written like RFUVQNPC. How will medicine be written that code language? So you check computer, COM, and here RFUV. What is the logic they used? If you see, happen to see the first letter C, there the last letter C is there. If you see the second letter O, there is a P is there. That means increasing, decreasing. Increasing, decreasing. Huh? Increasing. So if you follow like that, what is medicine stand for? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Here I have
Number
to,
3. Number
yes,
3. Number 3.
check again.
Number
What?
2.
See, answer they have given is 4. There are totally 8 letters in the word. Is it not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters are there in computer. So in the 8 letters, what is the sequence they made? The coded word can be obtained by taking immediately following the letter of the word, except the first and the last letter. This first and last is not changed over there. These are actually it is same. But in the other words, then here O is there. So M N O P. Next P came here. Then M is here. Then N came over here. Then U is there. V came over here. And T is there. And T U. The U came over here. Then in the same sequence, U after V is there. Later T is there. Then after E, it came F. So one increase came over there. So hence this M is not changed and E is not changed, but only reversed. Then the EOJDJEFM is the right answer. Is it clear? Say yes. Shall I move? Very good. In 80 question, see total how many alphabets are there in English language? Sir, we don't know, sir. We did not count.
26.
26 are there.
26, sir.
Yes. Which is the center one? సార్ ఈ 26 లో సెంటర్ ఎట్లుంటుంది సార్ ఇటు 13 అటు 13 ఉంటాయి కదా సార్ యు ఆర్ రైట్ సో ABCD which letter in this alphabet is the 8th letter to the right of the letter and which is the 10th letter to the left of the last but one letter of the alphabet. I don't know whether you follow this question first. Which letter in this alphabet is the 8th letter to the right? From the right side, 8th letter. And which is 10th letter to the left side of the last. But one letter of the alphabet. Is it X? Is it W? Is it I? Is it H? So logic, unless until we see logic, we don't know what comes there. It is, answer is W, they said. Let you see the logic. In the given alphabet, last but one letter of alphabet is Y. What is the last but one of alphabet? From the right side, last but one means before the last one, it is a Y. So here, the last but one letter of the alphabet is Y, okay. 10th letter to the left of Y is, from Y you have to count 10th letter. See here you have to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Of course, you have to leave Y also because you have to start from X. Then O is the, it comes here. See, 10th letter to the left of Y is O. And 8th letter to the right of O is W. 8th letter to the right of O. See, right of means this is the O right. This is the O right. See, this is the O right. So 8th letter means you have to leave the O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. W. So they said W is the right because if you understand this, which letter in this alphabet is the 8th letter to the right of the letter and which 10th letter to the left of the last but one letter of the alphabet. So you have to clearly understand from last but one means we have to start from the Y, then the sequence will come. Of course, a little bit tough would be there. This is, but anyway, that you would be in a position to understand what exactly the wordings are there, how it can be made into practical knowledge. Yes, that is the, oh, this is a bit tough. So that's why I put a danger. Even myself also in a lot of confusion I made it. Then if I did not understand, how could I make you to understand? Yes. Come to the next 82. Question is, A is B's sister. You have to draw the pen. You take the pen. A is B's sister and C is B's mother. D is C's father. E is D's mother. Then how is A related to D? So you have to take the pen and pencil. You have to write. A is B's sister. Means either A may be sister or she is a lady or she is a brother. She is a she. A is a she. B's sister. Who? A. Then what about the B? Is a lady or is a gent? If you see C is B's mother,
Granddaughter.
the answer is granddaughter. It comes over there. See here given A is the sister of B and B is the daughter of C, and so A is the daughter of C, and also D is the father of C, and so A is a granddaughter of D. So answer is 4 is the right answer. This is 4 is the right answer for this question, granddaughters. It is in the relations, it will come over there in the mental ability. Then let us go to the next question, that is find the missing number of the series. Let me down it. Find the missing number in the series. 4, 18, question mark, 100, 180, 294, 448. Then here I have given 1, 48, 2, 50, 3, 58, 4, 60. Which one is the right one? Even for me also is a tough, but anyway that I tried my level best. But while you are giving the explanation, it is easy to you. Then you may sir, itla kuda adugutara, sir, do you think that it will be asked in this model also, in this fashion also, in this method also, in this equation also? Answer is yes. Answer is 48. A bit tough. It is a tough to you also. Yes. Unless until you know the logic. It is a 48 is the answer, but how it came here again. See, 2 cube minus 2 square. 2 cube means how much? 8. 2 square means how much? 4. So 8 minus 4, 4. Okay. Then next, 3 cube, 2 cube. Then 27 minus 9 means 18. They have started, but here they started from the 3, 2. So 4 is here, 18 is here. Now if you see the same analogy, means increasing. 2 after 3, 3 after 4. 4 cube minus 4 square. 4 cube means 64, 4 square means 16. So 64 minus 16, 48. So here 48 comes over there. If you apply the same, here 5 cube means 125. 5 square means 25. So 125 minus 25, 100. So 100 came over here. Did you get my point? Did you get my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ఏమో సార్
Yes,
మీరు
sir.
చెప్పిండ్రు మేము విన్నాం సార్ అంతే. ఏం లేదండి, ఇప్పుడు 180 వచ్చింది రావాలనుకోండి, 180కి ఎట్లా రావాలా? ఇక్కడ 180 ఉన్నది. దెన్ ఐ విల్ ఎన్లార్జ్ ఇట్. దిస్ 180 ఈస్ దేర్. సో హౌ యూ విల్ గెట్ ద 180? ఓకే, ఈ 180 ఎట్లా వస్తుంది చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇది పోయినాయి, ఎన్లార్జ్ చేసే వరకు అవి క్యూబ్లు పోయినాయి. 6 క్యూబ్ 6 స్క్వేర్. 6 క్యూబ్ అంటే ఎంత? 216. అండ్ 6 స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఎంత? 6 స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఎంత అండి?
36.
36. 216 నుండి 36 తీసేస్తే 180. సో 180
Yes, sir.
ఇది ఉన్నదా లేదా ఇక్కడ? సో అంటే
Yes.
అంటే ఏ లేదు. దట్ మీన్స్ యూ టు ఇంక్రీజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది డిజిట్ అండ్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ క్యూబ్ అంటే 3 టైమ్స్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ దాన్ని క్యూబ్ అంటారు. స్క్వేర్ అంటే 2 టైమ్స్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ స్క్వేర్ అంటారు. సార్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే అది వారు కాదు సార్, చతురస్రం కాదు సార్. ఓకే, దాన్ని కూడా అంటారు. బట్ హియర్ ఇన్ ద మ్యాథమెటికల్ సెన్స్, హియర్ వెన్ యూ సే 5 square, it is 5
Sir,
into
please
5.
lower your sound and totally your sound is low.
Yeah, but because if I increase the fan, no, the earlier is going away. That's why I'm not increasing. This cubes and square is going away. So that's why, but here I made it a bigger one. Like an example which I have shown, that 4, how you got the 4? 2 cube minus 2 square. Means 2 cube means 8. And 2 square means 4. Means 8 minus 4? 4. In the same analogy, and if you use it, increase 1, 3. 3 cube means how much? 27. 3 square means how much? 9. 27 minus 9, 18. Same analogy that you have to apply. 4 cube, and here you increase 1, 1. See, this is 3, and next 4 cube and 4 square. 5 cube and 5 square. 6 cube and 6 square. But minus you have to make it out. Okay. Then automatically you will get. So right answer here is 48. So that is the right answer. Of course, a bit tough, but doesn't matter. If you do like this one, sometimes if you have an idea there, then you can pass your idea to that extent. Otherwise, you cannot make it out. Okay. 84th question. Fill the problem. If you have seen it, how it would be there. Fill the problem figure with the answer figure. Only one of the choice which is correct one. See, problem figure is given the left hand side and answer figure is given the right hand side, and problem figure is shown as an X, represented an X, and where the what you have to fill from the answer figure A, B, C, D, and here the question mark would be there in what exactly fits under the question mark. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Is it D? So I have given 1A, 1B. Yes?
B is the correct answer. B is the correct.
Why?
Because that is vertical and the next one should be horizontal.
Horizontal.
No, you have to think this one also. The another box here, this box also say reverse should be there, but not lattice.
Okay, one tilt towards the right.
Yes, that
Again,
is the
when it is
important.
tilted, when
Yes,
again it is tilted, it will be flattened, so it will become horizontal. Then again, one tilt,
yes.
it will become a slash like, or that is what we call uh,
It is diagonal,
incline.
incline or diagonal. This is lower one is here. The cursor is shown over is here also. It is like a diagonal, but a diagonal generally towards the right hand side it will be there. But incline we can make it or steep. Rather we can say steep also. So exact figure is 2b. So that is the method that we have to make it out. And I am sure this one can do easily, no problem at all. If you look at the figure and the figures only of the choice, which is the correct one on direction. See, this is the problem figure, and you can easily make it out what comes in the question mark. A or B or C or D.
B, sir.
What? D comes because if you add here, then it becomes totally filled. So the star will come over there. Total star will come. This D, if you add here, then total star will come. That it will be completed completely. Even circle also completed. Is it D? Yes. Yes, it is. No, not D, because D is having two circles. D is how many circles?
Option B, sir.
Option B is the right answer. Because D is having the two circles, but B is having only one circle. So here we are having only one circle, and this circle will fix over here, and this diamond will fix over here. Then automatically it became a star. Is it clear? So option is B is the right option. Okay, now this is also very easy. This is not just that method. Problem figure. See, problem figure is X, and answers are here given A, B, C, D. Which one suits? You try to fill up the diamond. You try to fill up the diamond, you know that which will fit over there.
D.
Yeah. No, check once again. Once again you check.
Option D.
Option D is the right answer. If you take this one here, correct, exactly the diamond will be filled. Total diamond will fill. Diamond figure will be filled over there. So here 4D is an option, and that is the right answer. Then we come to the series of the completion of the way the process found out the missing part of the non-verbal series. So in the following one, here you have given the problem. It is also a problem figure. Then I put the question mark. Then A, B, C, D is there. Then which will exactly fit in the question mark? See, here I have given the option A, B, C, D. But if you try to see, again diamond mark here. But diamond mark having angle also. See, note the point, angle. You have to fill the diamond mark, number one. Then there is an angle also there. And I mean అంటే చతురస్రం ఇట్లా 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 టిల్ట్ అయిన చతురస్రం రావాలి వాళ్ళ అక్కడ స్క్వేర్ రావాలి అక్కడ. సో యూ టు పిక్ అవుట్ అండ్ విచ్ ఫిగర్ విల్ మేక్ ఇట్.
Option B, sir.
ఆప్షన్
B.
yes, option B exactly sits over there. Option B exactly sits. Then ఇది ఈ స్క్వేర్ కూడా వచ్చేస్తుంది. See, this is the cursor I am showing. This square will come and this diamond also comes. This diamond. The diamond also comes over there. So this B is the right answer, where we can get the diamond as well as we can get the everything. Even this box also complete. And this also be completed. See, this is the chatura, the triangle also says triangle. So this is the right answer. Means 2B is the right answer for that one. Now this is also very easy. It is not a that much big problem for the figures. So you find it out. మనకి ఇక్కడ సర్కిల్ కంప్లీట్ కావాలా. The circle should be completed here. Plus
Option C.
exactly right. Exactly right. Option C. Huh?
Hmm.
I gave the hint to you. Immediately you got you the point actually. నేను అన్న అక్కడ సర్కిల్ కంప్లీట్ కావాలంటే సర్కిల్ కంప్లీట్ అంటే రెండే ఉన్నాయి అక్కడ. ఏది ఏ ఉన్నది సి ఉన్నది. ఎట్లైనా ఏ సీట్ అవుతుందా అని చూసాము. ఎందుకంటే ఏ కింద రెండు ఉన్నాయి కానీ సికి అట్లా లేవు, అటు ఇటు ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. అన్నిటికీ అటు ఇటు ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. సో exactly the C is the right answer for that one. Okay, ఇది చెప్పండి చూద్దాం. 2, 14, colon 9. Then double colon 2, 26, colon question mark. 12, 13, 31, 15.
31, sir.
మంచిగా మరి again check it. ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ కూడా ఇచ్చాను నేను ఇక్కడ. ఈ 14 వచ్చిందని చూడండి, చూసిన 14 ఎట్లా తీసుకొచ్చిండు. 2 into 9 అన్నాడు, -4 అన్నాడు. 2 into 9 అంటే 18 వచ్చింది. 18 - 4 అంటే మనకు 14 వచ్చింది. మరి 26 ఏమన్నాడు ఇక్కడ చూసాం. 26 ఏమన్నాడు, 2 into 15 అన్నాడు, -4 అన్నాడు. కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ కాడ 15 పెడితే అది కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. అంటే 4D is the right answer. అంటే ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ యూ షుడ్ హావ్ టు ఫాలో ఇట్. 14 ఈక్వేషన్. 14 లో ఏంటిది, 2 into 9 means this the first digit and the last digit 2 into 9 -4 is equal 14. ఆ విధంగానే మనకు 26 into మరి అది పెట్టుకోవాలి. మరి 26 రావాలంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి, మనం 2 పెట్టి మళ్ళీ పక్కకు 15 పెడితేనే వస్తుంది మనకు. ఆ 2 into 15 పెడితే 30 అవుతుంది. -4 చేస్తేనే మనకు 15 వస్తే, అంటే 15 వస్తేనే ఫస్ట్ ఎనాలజీ ఈజ్ కంప్లీట్. So that is the only the answer. Here is feedback. 15 is the right answer for the question mark. So a little complicated it is, but we can make it out, because unless we see the feedback, then we can make it out. How you got the 14? We got the 14 because 2 into 9 means first digit and the last digit, third digit, we clubbed together, I mean multiplied, then it becomes 18 - 4. 4 we divided minus it,